Welcome to YouTube channel Ramesh Kaila. As we know that we just discussed regarding the education technology and so many important questions. In series of the question in a previous video we already seen the good classroom teaching skill, and the other part of the classroom is management of classroom. It is also very important for short note. How to manage classroom. Classroom management is vital for successful teaching, and positive classroom environment always provides successful and effective teaching learning process. As we know that if the classroom environment is positive, then student can learn very well and teacher also can teach very well. Good and ideal teacher always provide creative environment to the student. Point to be remembered while the classroom management are following. We just discuss regarding the step-by-step point. First of all, create safe environment for learner. Create an inclusive environment for learner, that learner can teach, learner can learn something new. Create strong and positive relationship among learner. Student and teacher relation should be positive, so that the student can understand very well, student can learn very well. Understand unique adolescent body mind set. Teacher must have to understand which are the adolescents body mind set, and according to that they must have to teach to the learner. Understand multicultural and individual difference in a classroom. In the classroom we maintain our social stigma, social culture, and we cannot criticize any culture, any religious, and we teach very nicely. Learner can love learning activity in a classroom. This type of the classroom teacher can create that the learner can love the learning activity. Create fair and balanced discipline in classroom. To provide demonstration and practice in classroom. In that condition, if you want to teach the breastfeeding to the baby, then you must have to demonstrate by the dummy baby and give the practice to the student. To follow all rules and regulations of the classroom by the teacher as well as learner. Proper curriculum planning is part of the well classroom management. Motivation, discipline, respect are pioneer for the classroom management. In a classroom management, teacher must have to motivate the student, teacher must have to keep in discipline to the student, and teacher and student must have to reciprocal relationship and respective relationship. There are some technique in a classroom. First of all, corporal punishment, rote discipline, preventive technique, good teacher-student relationship. These are the four very important technique for the classroom. Organize physical environment in the classroom. Prepare time management in a classroom. Take careful attendance in a classroom. Prepare teaching learning activity in a classroom. And last one is ignoring and approving are effective classroom strategy. Some activity must be ignored and some activity must be approved for the best classroom management. These are the main point for the classroom management. I think it is important for you, and you must have to learn this type of the question in a short note. Thank you very much.